This is Lao. Most people don't even know where Laos is. Laos is located in between many countries like Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Laos is one of the best countries in Southeast Asia, but it's also one of the least visited. As well as the mountains, Laos is also known for its forests and waterfalls.
So when you get here, it's 40,000 kip each, which is this amount right here. And then you walk in and there's a bear sanctuary included in the price. You walk into the falls and there's a swimming pool, and you can see the falls and it's beautiful. But then if you keep walking, there's a second, like it just keeps getting higher, and there's a second one.
There's
and then
different levels.
Different levels. And then at the top, there's a big waterfall, and for me, it's the most beautiful. It's like a huge waterfall. There's multi-levels, and there's a bunch of different rock pools everywhere. So now this is the second one. Right now we're just doing our favorite thing ever.
Hiking in our flip-flops.
It's actually the best. Hey! Jose! They have turned these stairs into a river. And what I mean by that is it is a river. So we have made it to the top of the waterfall, and the view isn't as crazy as I thought, but it's still peaceful up here. Yes? So going up, that was like the hard part, but going down is the scary part.
So Nick just went up there and got some really cool photos of the waterfall, and then I was gonna go up there, and I got told I wasn't allowed. So Nick went at the right time and he got lucky with his pictures.
So right here, I don't know if you can see this over here, but it says you cannot go over here onto the waterfall. So I decided to not break the rules, so I decided just to go down here and then up to the waterfall, and it was really beautiful. And then Taylor wanted to do it, and she was told she wasn't allowed. But what do you think? I think she should just break the rules and go for it.
Was sitting there, so
yeah, this guy here, right there. He's a fun breaker, hey?
Yeah.
And there actually is a restaurant, so if you get hungry, here's the place to go.
Guys, we found some blue water.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.